how are you all doing? I hope you're all doing fabulous and having fun on your day. Today is a very beautiful day here in Toronto and I want to enjoy the outdoors today. I found this beautiful dance workout yesterday and I also tried it, and today I want to do it again and just sweat it all out. So let's sweat it out together, guys. Let's go.
So don't let go na. Don't let go. Just keep going. This other end. Yeah, so that the water won't go back inside. Kaganda ng mga models ah. Excellent job. Hooray! Okay. Happy dance, happy dance. Happy dance. Not bad. It's good. Did the employer say that you can go now? Okay, our pool is officially open, but since it's COVID, it's only a party for one. He doesn't want to invite others because he wants to stay safe. Social distance. With that said, guys, you can just enjoy watching him swim. Well, he's not really swimming, but he's just enjoying the nice cold water. All right. And I want to show you this one. I haven't shown you this before. It's packed with beautiful flowers. So pretty.
3 days later.
Welcome to our backyard, guys. It's so ready. All right, who wants to jump first? Maybe my friend right here wants to jump first. All right, there you go. And that one. And this one. All right, that one was eaten by the raccoon. We left it here at night and look what happened. All right, guys. And here's some watermelon. Let's try it. Watermelon before I swim. Hi, Nam! Nandiyan pa po pala kayo. Look, guys, instead of swimming, I think I'm just gonna end up eating by the pool. It's just a saucer anyway. Let's eat. Eating challenge by the pool. All right. Really good. This is actually my dinner, guys. My dinner. Actually, my lunch and dinner. Weather is so great. Perfect for eating by the pool. Instead of swimming, but eating by the pool. You can hear the wind, guys. The wind and the water. Plus sunshine. And me eating. Perfect. All done. It's cold. That's the thing with the pool, guys. Even though the weather is so hot, but it can be too cold in the pool. So I have to do it slowly. Okay, guys, say hi to my friend. Look how much tan he got already. Lots of tan. This is my favorite part of the pool, guys, where I can have a back massage. Come here, buddy. He can't save me. Come on, buddy, you're gonna save me. It's nice and warm. Once you're in the water. Oops. Come on. That way, that way. Ah, I'm too close to the wall. Come on, turn. Turn. He doesn't know to turn. Turn. Buddy, turn. You don't know to turn? Ay. He's not turning. Okay. Ay. It hurt my arms. Hi guys, so I just finished swimming. I enjoyed it. As you can tell, it's still nice and beautiful, but the pool is covered for now. That's a solar cover, I think, to retain the moisture and to keep it warm. Anyway guys, we're gonna do some unboxing. I just ordered this 2 days ago. Now it's here. So we'll see what's inside. Can you guess what it is, guys? What is it? No? No? Alright, let's open it. Okay, first I'm going to show you this. What is this for? Are you sure? We'll see. It says in the package that it is mildew resistant and waterproof. So do you think you're right? Maybe. This, guys. Once I put it up, I'll I'll show it to you again. It's a shower curtain. I saw it online and I thought to myself that the print is so beautiful. And since we are in need of a shower curtain in one of our bathrooms, we decided to order this. So you really can't appreciate the print by just me showing that to you. Oh, there it is. Alright guys, so that's that. So that's the shower curtain that needs to be replaced, guys. It's pretty, I love it, but the thing is, this one gets so noisy every time someone comes in, take a shower. Alright guys, our curtain is up. I wanted to iron it, but I was told not to bother, so there it is guys. A little wrinkly, but pretty. Alright. I'll also put the link in the description below, guys. If you also want to order a shower curtain like this, you can also find different designs or print if you will browse in their website. Alright, there it is.